Okay, this video is going to go over how to power on your Blue Sky embroidery machine. On the back left panel on the back side of the machine there is a rocker switch. That's your on-off switch for your machine. I'll rotate this machine around, give you a good view here. So there's where your power cord goes in, 110 outlet. Power switch is right here, off and on. You're just going to rock it over to on. That powers the machine up. As you can see, light came on. We're flashing red and green here. It's just throwing the power through the signals. Once it completely powers up, it'll stay steady green. There we go. And our control panel is up as well. Alright, so at this point, as you can see, we have our, let me turn this light off so you can view this. We have a laser light here. Your button for your laser light is right here, on off. Laser light disappears, now back on. So that turns that on and off. So if you power on your machine and your laser light's not on, try this button. That should power it on. Same as your light, which is on this side. This is a flexible light. You can adjust it to where you want. Got an on-off switch here. And point it down at your viewing area for your sewing field here. On-off. And back to the switch, power down, just flip it over to off. That shuts your machine down. One thing you want to be careful of is when you first put your machine onto your stand is not to bump your emergency button right here. So if this gets pushed down or bumped, it locks it in the down position. And now if I try to power on, the machine will not power on. It'll just flicker. And that's because of that emergency button being locked down. So what you do is you grab this, rotate it clockwise, it pops back up. That unlocks that emergency button. Now the machine will power on, no problem. I'll flip the switch. There we go. So that's how you power on and off your Blue Sky embroidery machine, and covered the laser light and your light on your machine, plus your emergency button as well. Just a few things there in this video.